Welcome back. Now, the date for the Maharashtra oath-taking ceremony is drawing near. In fact, it is day after, but still an announcement has not been made on who will be the next chief minister, while the larger understanding is, of course, that it will be from the BJP and it will be Devendra Fadnavis. No formal announcement has been made yet. BJP had said the oath-taking ceremony would take place on the 5th of December and preparations are taking place at Azad Maidan. But Eknath Shinde, who had said earlier that he would accept the Prime Minister's choice, continues to play hardball. The Sena, it is learned, is pushing for the home portfolio, but the BJP has not accepted the demand. That's what sources have said. Shinde briefly today visited the hospital. He was said to be unwell, though it was played down as a routine visit, and he has since left hospital in Thane. Meanwhile, the BJP observers for Maharashtra are set to reach Mumbai tonight. The BJP legislative meeting will take place tomorrow morning, and after that, Mahayuti leaders are expected to meet, and then finally the name will be announced and they will lay claim to form the next government. Well, let's go across to Anuj, who has been tracking all these developments. Anuj, and tell us, what is the latest that you're now hearing? Eknath Shinde has left the hospital, and it seems lots happening behind the scenes in terms of negotiating for what the Shiv Sena may get, and there's even talk that they may sit out of the government.
Eknath Shinde left the hospital a while back, close to an hour back, and we are expecting him to be at Varsha at any time from now onwards. He should be there in a short while. More interestingly, Devendra Fadnavis is also at Sagar Bungalow. So, one cannot really deny the possibility of any sort of meeting between Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis, although we have to be cautious enough to not really term it as a Mahayuti meeting, because the third partner in this Mahayuti alliance, a key partner there, Ajit Pawar, is still not at his official residence in Malabar Hill. So, but we, as I said before, we cannot deny the possibility of the two, top executive heads of this state meeting up, and that is something that we are looking forward to at the moment. But what we are learning as of now is that Eknath Shinde is doing much better than what he was doing a while back. He went to the hospital for what is said to be a routine checkup, and now that he is at Varsha, or rather he will be at Varsha, the movement is supposed on all of these proceedings are expected to move a little faster when it comes to meetings of not just different parties in the Mahayuti alliance, but also amongst several other parties, especially amongst the Shiv Sena party, because it has been quite a while since Eknath Shinde was out of town. It has been close to 3 days since he wasn't here, and now the fact that he's here will mean that a lot of leaders will be there at Varsha to meet him, and that is something that we are looking forward to. Tomorrow is an important meeting for the Bharatiya Janata Party at 11 a.m. The members of the Legislative Assembly will meet there, and they will be choosing or electing their leader of the Legislative Assembly as far as the BJP is concerned, again, which in all likeliness is expected to be Devendra Fadnavis. And once that is done, we can have an official confirmation on what exactly does the structure of the Mahayuti look like as far as the heads of all the three respective parties is concerned. Which is why even if a meeting takes place tonight, it is far from being an official Mahayuti meeting, the one that we've been waiting for, where all the portfolios are going to be discussed and all the important decisions are going to be taken, because that would require the physical presence of Ajit Dada Pawar as well, who currently is not in the town. So one can expect these events to pace up, tomorrow after the Bharatiya Janata Party, finishes their meeting off, for which the observers from Delhi and Gujarat are also coming to Mumbai. They'll be here in a short while from now onwards. By evening, we're expecting both Vijay Rupani and Nirmala Sitharaman to be here, who will be heading the meeting of all the 132 MLAs tomorrow morning, where the leader of the Legislative Assembly of the Bharatiya Janata Party's group will be elected, and then the official discussion, will be taken forward from there on. This becomes very important, especially because, there's very little time left when it comes to, the official oath-taking ceremony. Chandrasekhar Bawankule did tweet a few days ago, putting out the date and time for it, and then there was a lot of speculation whether all the three parties, especially whether Shiv Sena's Eknath Shinde faction of Shiv Sena has been taken on board while giving this kind of a statement or this kind of a declaration. But today we saw that Sanjay Shirsat and Gulab Rao Patil, two very senior leaders from Shiv Sena, and Sanjay Shirsat is also considered to be a very close aide of Eknath Shinde personally. They were present at the Azad Maidan along with Chandrasekhar Bawankule to inspect the proceedings, before the oath-taking ceremony. So one can expect, the proceedings to have smoothened a little in the last 24 hours as such, but tomorrow is going to be a crucial day, especially
Right.
after Eknath Shinde, has become active, and he will be, taking parts in the meetings here on.
That's right. Tomorrow really is that crucial day. Lots of meetings, BJP MLAs to meet, and then Mahayuti leaders, and then perhaps a meeting with the governor. Thanks so much, Anush, for joining us. In fact, let's listen into what various leaders have been saying. Leaders of the Mahayuti, including Vijay Rupani, who's one of the central observers who will fly into Mumbai today to oversee that meeting of MLAs.
ये शिवसेना की तरफ से कितने लोग शपथ लेंगे, कितने लोग?
नहीं, इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है। सीएम साहब इसकी घोषणा करेंगे।
क्या एकनाथ शिंदे जी सरकार का हिस्सा होंगे? एकनाथ शिंदे जी सरकार का हिस्सा होंगे?
इसके बारे में कल शाम में सब डिसाइड होगा। आज कुछ भी उसके बारे में बताया नहीं जा सकता।
लगता है कि तो सबसे बड़ी पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी बनी है। दूसरा, शिंदे जी ने ही स्टेटमेंट दिया था कि भाजपा के सीएम बने तो मुझे कोई तकलीफ नहीं है। तो मुझे लगता है, मेरी बात नहीं हुई लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि इस बार बारी भाजपा के सीएम बनने की होगी, ऐसी संभावना है।
एकनाथ शिंदे महाराष्ट्र के केयरटेकर मुख्यमंत्री है। अगर मुख्यमंत्री कैसा डिसअपियर या गायब हो सकता है? देखिए, सब एक खेल चल रहा है महाराष्ट्र में। 10 दिन हो चुके हैं, बहुमत है उनके पास, पूरा भारी बहुमत है, फिर भी ये लोग मुख्यमंत्री का नाम, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पार्लियामेंट्री नेता का नाम अब तक घोषित नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और राजभवन से अब तक सरकार बनाने का न्योता भी नहीं मिला है। ये सब
एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने 2 बार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेके बोला है कि जो निर्णय माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी साहब, जो निर्णय अमित शाह साहब लेंगे उसका हम पूरा समर्थन करेंगे, शिवसेना उनके साथ है, तो नाराज़गी का सवाल ही नहीं आता। जब डॉक्टर खुद बोल रहे हैं कि वो बीमार है और 4 दिन वो बीमार थे, 2 दिन दरा में उनके नेटिव प्लेस में गए थे, उसके बाद भी राजनीति होना ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। और दूसरा ऐसा है कि आज वो जुपिटर में गए, ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए गए हैं, ब्लड टेस्ट होने के बाद, चेकअप होने के बाद वो वर्षा में दाखिल होंगे। अभी 4 तारीख को सुबह 10 बजे भारतीय जनता पार्टी का गठन नेता चुना जाएगा और उसके बाद ही ओथ सेरेमनी होगा ना। तो हमारे वजह से कुछ रुका नहीं है। जब गठन नेता भाजपा का चुना जाएगा और उसके बाद ही ओथ सेरेमनी होगा।
क्या जो सरकार शपथ लेने जा रही है उसमें एकनाथ शिंदे होंगे?
वो सस्पेंस रखिए ना।
हाँ,
सस्पेंस रखिए। आप भी अगर हमने आज ही बोल दिया तो कल 1 घंटे के बाद आपकी ब्रेकिंग नहीं आएगी, कल नहीं आएगी, शाम को नहीं आएगी। जब ओथ सेरेमनी है तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन सीएम है, कौन डी सीएम है।
All right, and let's also listen into what Union Minister Ramdas Athavale had to say on the issue, where he actually admitted that the BJP has offered Deputy Chief Ministership to Eknath Shinde and even made an offer that he can come to the centre.
Athavale sir, why according to you there is a delay in choosing the name of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra?
There is no problem to select the name of the Maharashtra Chief Minister, but already the high command of the BJP told to the Eknath Shinde ji that he is not ready to give the Chief Ministership to Eknath Shinde ji now, because already they have given the 2.5 years to Eknath Shinde ji, and now BJP is thinking that the Chief Minister should be from BJP, and the name of the BJP's candidate is the Honorable Fadnavis ji. But now they officially they have not announced the name of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. But today, tomorrow there is a meeting of the parliament party, the meeting of the BJP, and they will announce the name of Fadnavis ji. But now Eknath Shinde is something upset, and but my suggestion is this: he will not accept the deputy CM of the Maharashtra. But as Devendra Fadnavis ji, he accepted the deputy CM birth in Eknath Shinde's government. And as Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde should take the chance of the deputy CM in the Maharashtra state. If he is not ready to take that post, then he should be the chairman of the Mahayuti. That is the alternative. Otherwise, he can come in the central, and he should be the chairman of the Mahayuti. That is the alternative.